Stop right here, because what I'm about to tell you is shaking the internet to its core. OpenAI just dropped SORA 2, and this isn't some tiny update. No, this feels like a leap straight into the future of movies, ads, and entertainment itself. Type a sentence, and boom, you get a full cinematic clip, multi-shots, realistic physics, smooth camera moves, dialogue that sounds alive. Now imagine swapping in your face, your voice, instantly exciting, terrifying. It's both. Creators are calling it revolutionary. Critics are calling it dangerous. And everyone's asking, is this the tool that makes Hollywood shake or collapse? Stick with me. In the next few minutes, we'll break down what SORA 2 actually does, how people are already using it, the insane risks it carries, and the future it may create. First, let's ask, what is SORA 2 at its core? SORA 2 is OpenAI's generative video engine. Think ChatGPT, but for movies. It doesn't just spit out random clips. It builds multi-scene stories with continuity. Objects stay consistent. Physics look believable. Camera angles shift like a real film crew is behind the lens. It works inside the new SORA app, a social platform where anyone can prompt, remix, and share AI-generated videos. Here's the wild part. With cameos, you can upload a quick face scan and voice sample, and suddenly you're the star. Your digital twin acts in scenes you never filmed. So this isn't just a model, it's a toolbox, a stage, and a distribution network. Sounds thrilling, right? But it gets crazier once we see how people are actually using it. Here's how it plays out. You type a prompt, pick a style, add your cameo if you want, hit generate, and SORA 2 doesn't just give you a clip. It gives you sequences that feel cinematic, smooth cuts, steady pacing, camera sweeps, even lip-synced voices. Creators are testing it everywhere. Indie filmmakers using it for storyboards, marketers whipping up personalized ads, educators making fast visual explainers, YouTubers cranking out skits with their avatars. The loop is fast. Write it, watch it, remix it, share it. Done. For solo creators, that means viral content at lightning speed. For studios, it slashes production costs. For brands, it creates endless personalized campaigns. But with that speed comes chaos, because the internet reacted instantly. The second SORA 2 hit, chaos broke loose. Timelines flooded with celebrity parodies, anime mashups, political spoofs. Entire mini-movies made overnight. The wildest, Sam Altman, OpenAI's own CEO, went viral as users threw his face into absurd sketches and fake scenarios. The memes spread like wildfire, and the app exploded. Downloads spiked. Invite codes sold online like underground tickets. This wasn't just a product launch, it was a cultural event, and it raised two giant questions. One, how do we handle consent when millions can remix anyone's face? Two, what happens when this tech hits politics, Hollywood, or even your local news? The hype is undeniable, the creativity unstoppable, but the risks, oh, they're real. Let's cut the hype for a second, because here's the dark side. Risk 1, deepfakes. With one selfie, anyone can impersonate a politician, a celebrity, or even you. Misinformation just got a jet engine. Risk 2, copyright. Training on existing works means characters, logos, and entire scenes can be replicated without permission. Expect lawsuits. Lots of them. Risk 3, moderation. Filters exist, sure, but users are already finding ways around them. NSFW, violent or harmful outputs, they slip through. And these aren't what-ifs. They're happening right now. So yes, SORA 2 is powerful, but it's also dangerous if left unchecked. Now here's the kicker: most creators covering this, they gloss over these flaws. Which brings me to why this script is different. Competitor videos chase clicks with memes, over-the-top jokes, and rushed facts. They ramble, they don't pause. They confuse hype with clarity. The problem: viewers get excited, but not informed. This script fixes that. Every section has structure, every claim backed with context. Pauses give you time to process. Tone balances hype and authority. Instead of just yelling crazy update, we break down what it means, why it matters, and how it affects you. That balance, hype plus trust, is what keeps people watching till the end. Here's where it gets big. SORA 2 won't just make TikTok clips. It could reshape Hollywood, lower budgets, faster experimentation, entire genres born from AI, marketing, hyper-personalized ads at scale, education, visual lessons built in minutes, news, visual simulations in real time. And it's a big but, this collides with regulation, lawsuits, and ethics. Verification tools will become mandatory, likeness rights. A battlefield. Bottom line, creativity expands, but chaos expands too. The question isn't if AI video changes the world. It's how fast and who controls it. So, SORA 2, breakthrough or breakdown. It could spark a creative revolution or a deepfake disaster. The choice isn't in the code. It's in how we use it. What's your take? Drop a comment, hit subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to know.